Finally getting around to making another DIY video. Here's how to make this Vampira inspired shirt. And if you're not familiar with who Vampira is, here's a reference for the inspiration. She was a horror movie hostess in the 50s and a true gothic icon. This one's a pretty easy DIY. The main things to it are the cut up sleeves and the deep cut neckline. The only things that you'll need for this are some scissors and a long sleeve black shirt. Thinner materials work best for this in my opinion. I went ahead and picked out a V-neck shirt so that I didn't have to cut the neckline. If you need to, it's very easy to cut it into this shape or to cut it as deep as you want the cut to be. It doesn't need to be completely straight either, as you can see it isn't on this one. You want to lay the shirt flat with the arms splayed out. We'll go ahead and start with the sleeves. We'll start by cutting a line up the sleeve however high up you want it to go. I'll speed up some of the cutting. I don't have nice fabric scissors, so it doesn't cut very well for me. After that, it should look something like this. I'm basically just cutting long slim triangles into the end of the sleeve. Hopefully you guys can see what I'm doing fairly well. The pieces that you cut out should look like a thin triangle like this. I'm also going to cut the ends of the sleeves off, that way there's no chunky ends on the ends of the strands. And then you basically just continue cutting out those thin triangles out of the sleeve until you've gone all the way around. After you're done cutting up that sleeve, it should look something like this. And I want those slits going just a little higher up on the arm, so I'm going to go ahead and cut at the points just to make them a little bit longer. And then of course do the same thing to the other sleeve. And when you're done, it should look something like this.